Carolina barbecue sauce is a spicy mustard-based alternative to your usual tomato-based barbecue sauce. We're going to show you how it's done. So here's what you're going to need. 300 milliliters of yellow mustard, a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of chipotle paste, a tablespoon of ketchup, which for some reason we managed to leave out of this picture, 2 teaspoons of Worcester sauce, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and about half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. So the first thing to do is grab yourself a bowl. Then add all the ingredients into the bowl. We recommend that you measure out the ingredients, but we've done this so many times we're just eyeballing it. Then with a balloon whisk, give everything a good mix up until it all becomes uniform in colour. It should come together quite quickly. Then grab yourself an empty bottle and a funnel and decant the sauce into the bottle. Once you're done with that, bang the bottle in the fridge for a good couple of hours to allow all those flavours to come together. And there it is, Carolina barbecue sauce, a spicy alternative to your usual barbecue sauce. As always, your feedback's important to us, so if you enjoyed this video, give us a click on the like button, leave us a comment down below, and subscribe for more great barbecue videos. Thanks for watching.